god, I look like a mess. Excuse, you know, the look. It's because I work today and I'm running a few errands today. I need to go to Ulta to get some of my skin products because I've been breaking out. But hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This won't be the intro, but I just posted today's vlog. It is Saturday and I figured I would, you know, vlog a little bit before I have to go to work today. I have mandatory overtime today, so I can't miss out on that, especially since, drum roll, I bought my ticket to go to Florida for my best friend's birthday, so I'm super excited for that. And okay, the light changed. Give me a second. I like how I came here and I'm like, I know I need a new beauty blender. I need more sunscreen, but there's the one that I use is Sun Bomb and I don't see it. And I need shampoo too. I'm like, I only came here for 2 things. And look at this. I got a few things in there. It's like the struggle. But I definitely do need shampoo. So I might try out that little shampoo in the front. Okay, let's look at the beauty blender. I have a problem. Like I said a few things. Did I get the few things? Yes. And I was disciplined because I did put a few things away. But I did get more things. So once I get home, I will show you guys what I got. Let me get out of here. So they are things that I did need and I was about to run out. So it wasn't all that bad. This is my outfit, y'all. Are so bad. But hi guys, so right now I just finished buying a few things at Trader Joe's. I will show you guys once I got home what I got, because I do want to get better this year at eating more at home, cleaner, because I be eating too much ramen, and that's okay. Like, it's okay, but there needs to be a balance. Like, I'm not giving it up, but there definitely needs to be a balance in what you eat. So I have to go to Target. I need to buy shampoo so I can, you know, detangle and treat this hair. I gotta buy the dishwasher soap, and I also forgot to buy things in Trader Joe's. I need to buy tomatoes and avocados. I forgot to get those 2 things. And then I think I should be good meal prep wise, and onions, because I'm gonna do like a stuffed pepper. And I bought the ground turkey. I bought the cauliflower rice, so I can make cauliflower rice with brown turkey, kind of like a stir fry thing. And I'm gonna stuff it all in the pepper. Never done a stuffed pepper before, so this should be exciting. I guess I'll vlog that too. And that's it. Like, I cannot go too crazy in Target because I already went over my budget again in Trader Joe's. This is like the story of my life. And I need to get better at that too. I want to get better at budgeting as well. I think in this vlog I'll include some of my 2022 New Year's resolutions, things that I want to do. It's nothing crazy because I feel like a lot of people are just to the all good things, just good things to happen, and I'm definitely with that as well. This is my outfit. I really like it. It's, you know, casual but layered up. It is getting a little chilly, so I had to bust out my coat. And what else do I want to say? Yeah, I think that's basically it. Let's get going to stop number 2, and then I can go. Okay, so finished with Target. Went a little crazy, but not too crazy. Okay, I'm done. I will not be resurfacing the outside till next Sunday. Literally. Okay. Guys, let's go home and I'll show you everything I got. Honestly, it's not too crazy. Hashtag being disciplined in 2022. Yeah, let me go. Because the money that I was like, oh my God, maybe I'll go out. Maybe I'll, you know, go out, have a drink or two. What's left in Target? I guess I'm drinking at home. I'll pour a glass of wine before filming Wednesday's video. Okay, so right now, sisters are watching Singles Inferno. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I got this creamer because honestly, I got a treatment. Love this treatment. My shampoo because I thought I ran out of my shampoo. Also got like these snacks to try out because I've been craving a lot of chocolate and this has the chocolate. Tomato, onion, avocado. So by mistake I put 2 and I actually got 3. I didn't count it. Those I got, you know, eggs, peppers, salads. So let me put everything away. I'll be right back. Oh, was this when they were taking turns? Yeah, okay. They're into the new episode where all the girls are flirting with the new guy because he hot. Okay, I made like a stir-fried rice. I'm not gonna lie, this is super yummy. I'm waiting on the chicken now. And it's gonna be topped with chicken teriyaki, leftovers. So, got food for work. But, come here. Come on. Come on, Papa. Come on, baby. Okay, so I am ready to film Wednesday's video. This is the outfit. It's really simple. It's just a sweater that I got from Aritzia. The jeans my mom gifted to me. That's all I'm wearing. Earrings by Ana Luisa. This is from my jewelry collection. I have closed down the shop for now because I do want to make custom pieces, but stay tuned for that. And my jewelry in this other hand is just simple bangle and 2 crystal bracelets. I'm almost done setting up here, watching Crazy Rich Asians, and I am making myself some matcha because I want to drink some matcha while I record. Drinking my matcha latte in Wednesday's video, so I'll see y'all in a bit. Next time you see me, I will be done recording. Here, oh my God. I just finished filming the video. I'm excited with the unboxing. I'm excited to break out my new trench coat, and I didn't realize that it came with a felt and it was removable, so I'm super excited. So even when it gets warmer, I can wear it. And I'm not used to wearing the trench style, and I think that this sweater is not really thick. It's like a nice thin sweater. It feels very comfortable, very light. So it is a little bit snug, but it's not that bad because I got extra large. And I'm like, dang, like how big do I have to go in these coats? So excited. Okay, bye. Enjoy the vlog. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna end the video right over here. Right now, the girls are getting ready. We're gonna celebrate Mariah's birthday, and I'll be sure to vlog a little bit, so that'll go on to next week's video. So stay tuned for that, and remember, subscribe for the good vibes. Don't forget to hit that like and that bell so you don't miss any future notifications. Till next time.